Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the thrilling and ever-changing landscape of artificial intelligence. If you thought the competition between major players like Deep AI and new challengers like DeepSeek was heating up, you're absolutely right, and we're here to break it all down for you. Today's episode promises to be particularly exciting. We'll explore the recent developments related to DeepSeek's AI models, OpenAI's strategies in response, Microsoft's controversial partnership with DeepSeek, and even what Google is cooking up in their labs. Let's set the stage for a riveting discussion about who's leading the charge in AI and what it all means moving forward. First up, let's delve into DeepSeek. A company that's been making headlines lately, the buzz around their groundbreaking AI model has set off a ripple effect throughout Wall Street. Initially, they claimed to have developed their new model at a mere $5.5 million. This figure is astonishingly low compared to the hundreds of millions generally spent on rival models. However, brace yourself. Recent analyses from SemiAnalysis now suggest that DeepSeek's actual expenditure on hardware may be significantly higher than previously reported, possibly in the range of around $500 million. This presents a stark contrast to the $5.5 million claim and raises so many questions regarding financial transparency in AI development. So why is this important? Well, when DeepSeek announced this low training cost, it sent shockwaves through the stock market, leading to a staggering loss of over $2 trillion in market cap across tech stocks. Investors reacted sharply, revealing just how sensitive the market is to claims related to AI capabilities and pricing. With this backdrop, we have to ask ourselves, how did DeepSeek manage to create such a buzz while potentially misleading investors? Deep AI's response in the US economy. Deep AI has emerged as a significant player in the AI sector amid rising tensions with its competitor, DeepSeek. Following claims from DeepSeek that caused turbulence in the stock market, Deep AI's CEO, Sam Altman, offered a mix of admiration and concern about the situation. While he initially praised DeepSeek's innovations, he later recognized the chaotic impact these announcements had on financial markets. Deep AI has not remained passive during this upheaval. It has invested around $100 million into its advanced GPT-4 model, signaling its commitment to AI development and an eagerness to maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving landscape. The overall instability in tech stocks linked to AI developments indicates that the US economy is significantly influenced by changes and advancements in this sector. As 2025 approaches, investors must grapple with the challenges that arise from this volatility. This reality underscores the intricate relationship between technological innovation and economic markets, prompting a wider examination of how AI's progression impacts the economy and investor strategy. DeepSeek's alleged misuse of Deep AI's models. The allegations against DeepSeek regarding the potential misuse of Deep AI's proprietary models have added another layer to this narrative. Reports suggest that Deep AI is investigating whether DeepSeek has employed a technique known as distillation, where smaller models imitate larger ones without proper authorization. If these claims are substantiated, DeepSeek could face serious reputational harm and possible legal repercussions for violating intellectual property laws. The implications of this situation extend beyond DeepSeek and Deep AI, touching on critical ethical concerns in AI model development. As investments surge in the AI sector, the integrity of practices surrounding model training becomes increasingly salient. If companies resort to distillation as a means to expedite innovation, it could undermine trust within the AI community and among stakeholders. The ongoing investigation will likely influence conversations about best practices and ethical standards in the industry moving forward. Microsoft's partnership with DeepSeek. In a surprising move, Microsoft has decided to host DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model on its Azure cloud platform. This partnership raises eyebrows, especially given the ongoing investigation into DeepSeek's alleged misconduct. though this collaboration could afford Microsoft access to cutting-edge technology. The relationship carries risks concerning the potential backlash against their brand due to DeepSeek's controversial practices. Microsoft's willingness to embrace this partnership reflects the fierce competitive spirit in the AI field. The company appears prepared to navigate reputational risks to secure a strategic advantage. The fallout from this collaboration may not emerge immediately, but as the probe unfolds, both companies may experience thematic repercussions that could reshape the public's perception of their trustworthiness and accountability. Deep AI's partnerships with the US government. Deep AI's collaborations with the US government mark a significant milestone in the intersection of AI and public service. These partnerships, which grant approximately 15,000 government scientists access to Deep AI's latest reasoning models, may serve as a cornerstone for advancements in various scientific fields, including healthcare, defense, and climate science. The potential benefits of this collaboration are substantial, particularly in enhancing national security and facilitating real-time data analysis in research settings like Los Alamos and Lawrence Livermore. However, these benefits come with ethical concerns regarding the handling of sensitive government data in conjunction with commercial AI technologies. Issues surrounding privacy and data security could pose challenges for Deep AI, emphasizing the need for rigorous ethical standards in data management. While the partnership can elevate Deep AI's stature, it also brings scrutiny into how commercial interests align with government responsibilities. Google's Gemini 2.0 update. Turning to Google, the recent rollout of the Gemini 2.0 Flash update signifies a major advancement in user experience, focusing on providing quicker, more efficient responses. This update democratizes advanced AI features by making them more accessible to everyday users, which could significantly shift the competitive landscape. The implications of Gemini 2.0 Flash resonate throughout the AI market, as Google's constant innovation underscores the relentless nature of competition. Companies like Google, Deep AI and DeepSeek are continuously striving to enhance user features and experiences, as each strives to capture consumer attention with improved capabilities. The stakes for market positioning reach new heights, emphasizing that growth is not merely desired, but essential for survival in a fiercely competitive arena. In today's conclusion, we recap the intriguing developments discussed, including discrepancies in DeepSeek's financial claims and the implications of its alleged misuse of Deep AI's models. As Deep AI pursues partnerships and Microsoft navigates controversy, Google enhances its products, intensifying competition in the AI sector. Looking ahead, the evolving landscape demands attention, especially regarding ethics and accountability. To stay informed, subscribe and engage with us by liking, commenting, and sharing this episode. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to more insightful discussions on AI in future episodes. Stay curious,